The days of the week in Japanese are a fascinating blend of ancient Chinese astrology and Greco-Roman traditions, reflecting how cultural exchange shaped language in Japan. This system was adopted during the Asuka period from 538 to 710 AD. Japan was heavily influenced by Chinese culture, including its calendar system. Each day of the week is named after a celestial body, either the sun, moon, or one of the 5 classical planets, each associated with specific elements in Chinese cosmology. These names have been preserved in Japanese for over a millennium, offering a glimpse into the intertwined histories of East Asia and the West. Monday in Japanese,
Getsuyōbi,
which literally means moon day. So why the moon for Monday? Well, this reflects both Chinese and Greco-Roman traditions, where Monday is associated with lunar influence. The moon was considered a significant celestial body in ancient astrology, believed to affect emotions and human behavior. Tuesday in Japanese is called
Kayōbi,
which literally translates to fire day. The name is derived from the kanji ka, meaning fire. This fiery symbol is not just a random assignment. Tuesday's association with fire comes from its connection to the planet Mars. In Chinese astrology, Mars is known as the fire star.
火星.
When these astrological ideas traveled from China to Japan, they were integrated into the Japanese system of timekeeping and daily life. Wednesday in Japanese is called
Suiyōbi,
which literally translates to water day. The name is derived from the kanji,
Sui,
meaning water, a symbol with deep significance in both natural philosophy and astrology. The connection between Wednesday and water originates from the association with the planet Mercury. In ancient astrology, particularly within the Chinese system, water in many cultures is seen as a symbol of adaptability, fluidity, and transformation. It can change form, flowing seamlessly from one state to another, much like Mercury's rapid and elusive movement in the night sky. Thursday in Japanese is called
Mokuyōbi,
which literally translates to wood day. The name is derived from the kanji
moku,
meaning wood or tree, a symbol rich with meaning in both natural and cultural contexts. The association of Thursday with wood originates from its connection to the planet Jupiter. This association is not merely symbolic. It reflects the qualities that ancient observers attributed to both Jupiter and the element of wood. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, known for its expansive presence and significant gravitational influence. In astrology, Jupiter is often seen as the planet of growth, prosperity, and abundance, qualities that align perfectly with the characteristics of wood in Chinese cosmology. Wood as an element represents life, growth, and vitality. It is seen as a living force that is constantly expanding just as trees grow and stretch towards the sky. Trees and forests are revered in Shinto, which is the indigenous religion of Japan, where they are often seen as sacred and are believed to house spirits known as kami. The life-giving and nurturing aspects of wood make this symbol of both physical and spiritual growth, aligning well with Jupiter's astrological influence. Friday in Japanese is called
金曜日,
which literally translates to gold day or metal day. The name comes from the kanji kin, which can mean gold, metal, or even money. This element is deeply embedded in the cultural, economic, and symbolic practices of many societies, including those influenced by Chinese astrology. Friday's association with metal stems from its connection to planet Venus. In Chinese astrology, Venus is known as the metal star
金星,
which is closely tied to the element of metal. The connection between Venus and metal is rooted in ancient observations of the planet's brilliant, shining appearance in the night sky, reminiscent of polished metal or gold. Saturday in Japanese is called
Doyōbi,
which literally translates to Earth Day. The name is derived from the kanji
do,
meaning earth or soil. Saturday's association with Earth comes from its connection to the planet Saturn. In Chinese astrology, Saturn is known as the Earth star
土星,
and it is linked to the element of Earth. In astrology, Saturn is seen as a planet that governs time, limits, and boundaries, embodying the principles of responsibility and maturity. Sunday in Japanese is called
Nichiyōbi,
which literally translates to Sunday. The name is derived from the kanji
Nichi,
meaning sun or day. This connection to the sun reflects a tradition that spans many cultures, where the sun is revered as a central life-giving force and a symbol of vitality, power, and renewal. In many early civilizations, the sun was seen as the most important celestial body, often worshipped as a deity due to its essential role in sustaining life. The sun's daily journey across the sky brought light and warmth, making a symbol of life, energy, and the cycle of time. First day of the week was dedicated to the sun, hence the name Sunday. If you're interested in learning Japanese or Chinese, I recommend that you give Ling a try. Please click on the link in the description for more information.